Hello students, welcome back to the lecture series on Introduction to Scilab Software. This is video part 10. We are solving question set 9. Now let us proceed further. The first question is, in Scilab enter the following matrices. So let us declare the matrices first. A is equal to 3 by 3 matrices are there. 1, minus 2, minus 1. Then minus 1, 5, minus 6, and then 5, minus 4, 5. First matrix. Now the second matrix is 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 8, and 2, minus 1, 3. So these two matrices are declared. Now find each of the following. The first thing is first column of A. That means if you want to display only the particular column, what we are going to use, we are going to write A. For columns, we need to put the same colon first, then comma. We want the column number 1. So just put A, into bracket you write the colon, comma, and the column number. So it is the first column 1, minus 1, 5. Then we want the second column of B. So for second column of B, the column number is 2. So this is the answer. Then third row of A. Now for finding the row, this is the second row. That means second comma, colon will be there, and first row of B. So first row of B is B1, 1, comma, first row of B we want, so 1, comma, colon. So first row of matrix B is displayed. Now the E is second row and first column element, means an element which is there in the second row and first column of A. So let's just write A, second row and first column. So we can write A to 1. This way we can extract any particular element from the matrix. We can write A 2, 1. So it is minus 1 and it is displayed. Now third row and third column entry of B. So third row and third column. So we can write B 3, 3, and the answer is displayed. Let us clear the console and move to the question number 2, which is, in Scilab declare the identity matrices of order 2 and order 3. So as in the previous session also we have already learned how to declare an identity matrix. So it is of order 2. So just write EYE in the bracket 2. EYE in the bracket 2, 2. Then we want a matrix of order 3, EYE into bracket 3, 3. Now the next is, in Scilab enter the following matrix and then find the length. So I'll tell you what we mean by a length. So this is first row, this is second row, and the third row is minus 12, 0, minus 6. So this is the matrix. Now we want to find the length. Length means how many elements are there. So for that the command is len gth length into bracket A. So we see that 9, since the order of the matrix is 3 by 3, the elements are 9 in number. Trace. What do we mean by trace? Trace means sum of the diagonal entries. That is, on the diagonal we have 2, 9, minus 6. So it's sum. It is important because in some cases when we have a diagonal matrix, the trace is actually the determinant of trace is used for finding the various quantities. Trace is of the matrix A. So this is 5. 9 plus 2, 11, minus 6 is 5. So diagonal, DIAG is the command to find the diagonal elements entry of the matrix DIAG in the bracket A. So on diagonal we have 2, 9 minus 6. Then we have size of A. Size of A means the order of the matrix A. We can write size and in the bracket the matrix name. So it's 3, 3. What we can do, we can just give it to it a command like this. R means number of rows, and then C, and then the size of the matrix. So we get rows are 3 and columns are also 3. So to R the value is assigned as 3, and to C the command is assigned as 3. In Scilab, generate the null matrices of order 2 by 3, 3 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now what is meant by null matrix? Null matrix means zero matrix, or means a matrix in which there are all the zeros. ZEROS, zeros. Let us write the order. If it is 2 by 3, we are going to write 2, 3. If the order is 3 by 3, we are going to write 3, 3. The order is 4 by 5, so let us write 4, 5. So this is null matrices of the said order. Now next we have to generate matrices of the following orders in which all the entries are 1. So there is a particular command ones, ONES, and we just have to give the order, which is 3 by 3 and 4 by 5. So we get a matrix of order 4 by 5 with all the entries equal to 1. We don't need to declare such matrices. There is a command. Now the sixth question, generate the random matrices of following orders. For generating random matrix, we have learned the command as rand into bracket the order 3, 4. So this is the random matrix of order 3 by 4. If you want a random matrix of order 4 by 4, just write the command rand and in the bracket 4, 4. Now seventh question. In Scilab, generate a random matrix A of order 3 by 3 with all integer entries less than or equal to 99. Hence compute A square plus 2A. Since we know the command to generate a random matrix with integer entries, and that is nothing but grand. So we write the order. Then what do we write? We have done this when we were doing the built-in functions, and then we give the range. Now integer entries less than or equal to 99, we may take minus 99 or 0 to 99, but it is just one condition that it should be less than 99. So we just don't have to declare this matrix. We are going to call this matrix as A, since we have to use this matrix for the computation of A square plus 2A. So this is your A random matrix with such entries, and then what do we want? A square, A cap 2 plus 2 star A. So just one click, a very big calculation is done and there is an answer in front of you. Okay, we'll continue in the next lecture with question set 10. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.